Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on using the visual lookup feature on iPhone and iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Visual lookup offers the ability to carry out an online search and provide information about the subject of a photo. It can search for information about landmarks, art, plants, pets, insects, birds, etc. The feature is not restricted to the Photos app, but also works in Safari and Messages. Start by opening up your Photos app and selecting a photo you want to look up. Tap the I information button from the bottom of the screen. If lookup is available in this image, you will see an icon appear on an object of the photo that you can click, or tap the lookup button. It's not available on all images though. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.